A Ukrainian Bradley Fighting vehicle has successfully shot down a Russian FPV drone using its 25mm Bushmaster main gun. The gunner spotted the Russian FPV drone through the thermal sight and opened fire with standard 25mm ammunition. Hamas militant group has released footage, showing the use of Chinese-made HJ-8L Red Arrow anti-tank guided missile against an Israeli Namer combat engineering vehicle. The video depicts the Namer being struck on its side by the missile, resulting in a fire. Taiwan has unveiled a prototype of its new 8-wheeled infantry fighting vehicle with 105mm assault gun, featuring hunter-killer capabilities. It can reach speeds of more than 100 km per hour with firing rate up to 1,000 rounds. Milrem Robotics has been contracted to supply its THeMIS unmanned ground vehicle to the Swedish military for trials and experimentations. According to Deal, Sweden will receive THeMIS Cargo UGV equipped with Milrem Intelligent Function Integration Kit. The THeMIS Cargo is designed to transport equipment, including ammunition, supplies and fuel, with maximum endurance of 8 to 10 hours.